As the saying goes, if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. If you are listing your home for sale and your agent does not have a solid plan of how they're going to launch your home onto the market, you might have the wrong agent. My name is Kyle Whissel, owner here at Whissel Realty Group. And in today's video, I want to talk to you a little bit about the importance of ensuring the agent you work with to help you sell your home has a solid plan in place for exactly how they're going to launch your home onto the market. Here at Whissel Realty Group, we look at launching a home onto the market very similar to how Hollywood looks at launching a movie to the market. When Hollywood rolled out the most recent Top Gun movie, they didn't just decide on some random Wednesday or some random Friday, today seems like a good day, let's just release this movie we spent hundreds of millions of dollars to make. There was a plan behind how they rolled it out. There was social media plan behind it. There was a TV plan behind it. There was, appearances on this and on that. There was so much that went into planning that, so that by the time that movie was released, there was a line of people waiting to get tickets to go see that movie. We want to create that same exact effect when it comes to launching your home onto the market. And here at Whissel Realty Group, we've actually trademarked this exact plan, which is known as the 7-day listing launch. This is recognized by the US Patent and Trademark Office. This is the exact plan that we've used to sell thousands of homes here in San Diego. In fact, our team has sold more homes in San Diego County in the last 10 years than any other team in the county. So I'm gonna share a little bit about this, right? For us, we look at everything, it's a 7-day plan that's all about what are we gonna do to make sure that anybody and everybody interested in buying a home knows that your home's for sale. And again, you could sit down, meet with our team, we can walk you through step by step every little thing that we do, but some of the things that are gonna be included in here is high quality photography and videography. As the saying goes, you only get one chance to make a first impression. We've gotta make that a lasting impression. We also want to do things to really make sure that buyers have everything at their disposal to find out if this home is right for them. And sometimes we provide a little bit too much information, and that's okay, right? I'd rather things like we do 3D tours of homes so they can virtually walk through it. We provide them floor plans of the homes. So we give them so many things up front. So much so that some people see those things and decide the home is not for them. And that's great, right? Because we don't want to waste your time with looky-loos that realize, oh, this is a 2-story home. I don't want a 2-story home. I need a 1-story home. Great. I'd rather you not even waste time coming and looking at the home if you know you only want a 1-story home. So if we can help disqualify people that aren't going to be a fit for your home, we want to do that. But by providing things like floor plans and 3D tours, we can really make sure that a buyer is somebody who's going to be interested in your home before we inconvenience you and your family to show them your home. We still like to mix in some of that old school and new school. So we do really targeted social media campaigns. We look at what's the most likely buyer for your home, and we run targeted campaigns with the proper copy, the proper imagery, the proper targeting to that particular audience. So we do some really high-end digital marketing along those and we also do some old school direct mail marketing. We still believe in mail because let's be real, you get far less mail today than you got 5 years ago. That means that every piece of mail you get stands out. So we also want to stand out both on social and in the mailbox, and those two blend together really nicely. We also want to do things like having really high quality signage that's very visible, that's going to grab people's attention as they're going by, and signage that's going to have calls to action so that if somebody does see your sign and they inquire on it, that's going to get to the right person. We want to make sure when it gets to that right person, they're going to get a live response. So having a team ready to answer the phone 7 days a week so that people don't end up in voicemail. We got to make sure we got you covered there. And we got to make sure that all the agents know the home is for sale. So by having a solid strategy to get your home on the MLS and make sure the 30,000+ agents here in San Diego know your home's for sale, as well as getting it syndicated to all the big websites out there so all the buyers know the home is for sale. So there's a lot that goes into bringing your home to the market, having a solid plan in place so that agents, buyers, neighbors, everybody knows your home is for sale. So if you're thinking about putting your home on the market, you want to put our 7-day listing launch in place for your home, give us a call, shoot us a text at the number down below, sit down with one of our team members, they'll go through the exact plan, make sure that plan is in alignment with your goals, we'll get your home on the market and ensure we get it sold for top dollar on your terms. My name is Kyle Whissel, owner here at Whissel Realty Group. Thanks for watching the video.